How can I tell if my Whirlpool refrigerator needs to be reset?
Hello everyone. Today, we'll be addressing a common question many Whirlpool refrigerator owners have. How can I tell if my Whirlpool refrigerator needs to be reset? Sometimes, your fridge might start behaving strangely, and in some cases, a simple reset is all you need to solve the problem. So, let's dive in and understand the signs of when a reset is necessary, and then how to do it.
What are the signs that your Whirlpool refrigerator needs a reset?
Your Whirlpool refrigerator may need a reset under several circumstances. 1. Unresponsive control panel. The refrigerator's control panel is unresponsive or not functioning correctly. 2. Erratic cooling. The refrigerator is cooling too much or not cooling enough, and temperature adjustments don't seem to work. 3. Error codes. The refrigerator displays error codes on its digital display. 4. Post-power outage. After a power outage or after unplugging the unit, sometimes settings may need to be reset. Always remember, if your refrigerator is showing signs of malfunction, it's important to first check the user manual or contact customer service. Sometimes, a reset is not the solution and a service call may be required.
How to reset your Whirlpool refrigerator?
If you've identified that your refrigerator might benefit from a reset, here are the steps. 1. Locate the power source. Find where your refrigerator is plugged into the wall. 2. Unplug the refrigerator. Unplug your Whirlpool refrigerator from the power outlet. 3. Wait for around 2 to 3 minutes. This allows the system to fully power down. 4. Plug it back in. After waiting, plug the refrigerator back into the wall. 5. Check the refrigerator. Once your refrigerator is plugged back in, check to see if the previous issues persist. The unit should reset to factory default settings. Keep in mind that this is a generic reset process and can slightly differ based on the specific model of your Whirlpool refrigerator. Always refer to your owner's manual or contact Whirlpool customer support if needed. And that's it. Now you know when and how to reset your Whirlpool refrigerator. If after resetting, your refrigerator continues to malfunction or show error codes, it's time to call in a professional. Remember, troubleshooting is always good, but some issues need the expertise of a trained technician. We hope this video was helpful, and as always, thanks for tuning in.